And you guys may remember that from the Junior Challenge Design Program.
Getting revved up for a design challenge. Representatives from the Michelin Junior Challenge Design, presented by General Motors, were meeting with several high school career and technical education teachers from across the district at the Don Ryan Center for Innovation in Bluffton. The workshop is a great way to discuss this year's challenge before presenting it to the students.
The teachers are really important to kind of give us the final thumbs up or thumbs down, and also help us tune the message so it'll be hopefully more appealing to their students. They know them the best.
This is the 7th year the company has organized the design challenge. In about 2 weeks, students will take part in a virtual Zoom session to learn what this year's challenge is. Students will then get to work designing vehicles based on the theme.
We never know what's going to win, and I think that's been shown over the last few years that, just drawing a car, I don't think gets it anymore. I think you need to think beyond that. So think wild, and those seem to do really well.
The competition will have one winning entry from each high school. Then those student winners will present their designs to a group of industry professionals during the Hilton at Island Concord Elegancia Motoring Festival. Prize money will be given to the winners, and the teachers are excited for their students to take part in this amazing opportunity.
There's the money aspect. The $500 for each school winner and then the $1,000 for the overall winner. But just a chance to go to the concourse and look at the stuff that's out there and to get a experience pitching ideas to industry leaders. That's something that most kids don't get a chance to do.
For our students, this is an amazing opportunity. I've had students who, I would have never thought would have been interested in this, and they just come out of nowhere and impress you. And when they blow you away with their ideas and their designs, it's just an amazing thing to see, and it's something beyond the classroom that is really valuable to them and for me as well.
Once students are given the challenge, they'll have about 4 weeks to work on their designs, and the winner will be announced November 5th. In Bluffton, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
So what we do is we have 5 different streams, and we ask our employees to come up with an idea.